to play My Saviour, My God by Shust. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the introduction. We start off with a D chord, D, F sharp, A, D. On the right hand I'm going to play the F sharp, the A, and the D. And then the left hand we're going to walk it down, D, D, C sharp, B, B, A. Then we'll drop down an octave to D, D, C sharp, B. And then the vocals come in. So the opening will get us going on the piece. Vocals. And you go nice and slow with it. There's no drums at the start. So you got your vocal then is F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, E, E, D, D. Then we do it again. F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, E, E, D, D. Then we go up to a G. G, 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 F sharp, E, E. And then we end that with F sharp, E, E, D, E, F sharp. It cadences back to the D chord. Then we just do it again. And then we've got that pre-chorus that comes in there. A, F sharp, A, B, B. And he always holds it back a little bit on that B right there. And then he does the same thing. He holds back at the end of this one. B, 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 A, G, A. Then we got F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, A, G, F sharp. And I think I hear him slightly hit an F sharp, E to just an F anticipation right there. And then F sharp, E, E, D, E, D. And it cadences right back to the D. And then we're into the bridge chorus. Now the bridge chorus is just very repetitive. D, D, C sharp, D, 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 C sharp, D, 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 C sharp, D, C sharp, B, A, A. Again. This time it turns up to the E right there. D, E, E. And then we come right back in with the third verse. So now all we got to do is add the left hand. Now for the left hand, you're going to do a little bit of that stuff. So we come in there with every time you hit the B, you start playing. This time you go to a B minor. So you start off with D chord. Starts off with the introduction with that D chord. Drops down an octave. Now once you hit the B, now you only hit that A once. You can hit it twice. You can hit it twice, but it's not necessary. He kind of gets the A out of the way. Right back to the D chord. I hit the B again. Hold that A and then go to a B minor chord. Now all we're going to play, we've got the D here. A B minor is B, D, F sharp. So we have the D right there. We're going to play the B and the F sharp. And then we're going to come under it with a D, C sharp, B. And you do the same thing. Once you hit the B, you hit that up to that G. Now here we're going to have a suspended, we're going to an A chord, but we're going to suspend a D over the top of it so that we can get that same walking line. This time you wait for both B's. Then you're back to the D chord. this time you don't keep repeating that because it's like the end of that first part of that first phrase, and now we're going back through almost a second verse like. So just hold the B, don't even go to the A. Same. Now don't make a mistake and forget which note you're going to go to. You're going to go from an F sharp and then come back with the D. Here's to the G. Here's that suspension. Whoops, there we go. We got two B's first. And this sets up that pre-chorus. Holds back and then drops that G chord in there. So your G chord is G, B, D. You got the B up here, so we got the G and the D down there. Now there's a hold back, and all I'm going to play there is the F sharp. Their bass goes to an F sharp, so I'm going to play the F sharp and the D, and your D chord again, D, F sharp, A. So the A is up here. There's that suspended D, an A chord with the suspension. The suspension is just a non-harmonic note that's going to resolve into the harmony. The harmony is A, C sharp, E, and A chord. So when we add that D in there, we've got a suspended fourth over that third. So you're going to suspend and you're going to resolve to the third right there. Twice on the B. Now here you're going to hit that D twice. And that gives you time to start the drums if you want to. If you do play with the drums here, I start them and then I take them off for the pre-chorus again. But if you do that, you want to set it on a 78 and a simple 8-beat pattern right there. But what I do is hit that on that second, that you've got a D chord, D, D. Hit the drums on that second D, and that'll set you up for that pickup. Now, for the chorus, you're going to have a B, F sharp, open fifth, to a G, D, open fifth, to a D, A, open fifth, up to an A, E, open fifth. Always comes after the time. See, it comes after that D. Except right here, it comes right together. And they do it twice. A little bit, and that'll give you a chance to turn the drums off or to go right into the melody for the second verse. So if we add the drums, so we'll play it with the drums through that second verse, and then we'll go into the pre-chorus and I'll take them off. Go right to the B. Suspension. reason I take off the drums going into the pre-chorus is because if I don't take off the drums, I can't hold it back right there, and I like that little hold back. Back into the bridge chorus with the drums, and you play it through twice with the drums. So let me tell you what's going on right there. And I do have the drums go on through this, but there's a guitar interlude coming up. And to get into that guitar interlude, we're going to hit this A and E 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then the guitar comes in with... So you're going to have a E into the F sharp, up to the A, then a quick F sharp E, D, C sharp, D, A. Then we do it again. E, F sharp, A, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, D, B, C sharp, D, G, F sharp, G, A. Then up to D, C sharp, A, D sharp, A, then D, C sharp, A, F sharp. And then we're going back into a changed chorus right there, just a little bit of a change. So. Now it stays on this B as you walk it back up. Whatever you want with that bass, you can put a little rhythm in it. And it doesn't move to the A until the A's go together. So the G, F sharp, G, A, D, C sharp, A, D, C sharp, A, D. Now when you go to the F sharp, you're going to go back to the D, and just hit it 3 times. You've already got the drums going, so you can have the drums going through that whole section. But let me show you what you're going to do with the chorus right there. What he does is he just holds the B and the F sharp. He doesn't go through the rest of that stuff. And then the next time, they hold it back and they go to a B and the F sharp, to a C sharp and the A, down to a G and a D. So let me show you that. Let me show you that with the drums. Well, no, I better talk our way through this first. So what I do is I'll lift it off once I get to that A, which would be like a B major 7th once you get to that A. So you're just holding the notes all off of that B, F sharp, like a pedal tone chord. Now right on this D, you go to a C sharp and an A. Then down to a G and a D. Right back into it regular. So once you go through that B, F sharp, B, F sharp, and then the sequence of B, F sharp, C sharp, and A to the G and the D. It goes into one time through it regularly. Back to that B and the F sharp and the C sharp and the A and the G and the D, and you're going to end with 9 of these, and that'll set us up for the tag that's like a vocal by itself. So let me play that with the drums so that you can hear it. That tag, just like the beginning. By itself there, that vocal, and then hit an octave D. So all you're going to do on that, you're going to have a D chord is D, F sharp, A, D, F sharp, A, D, and then we'll just have a little turn, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, F sharp. So that last little bit, finish that out, then hit the octaves, and very easily hold it, and then there you have it. My Savior, my God. I hope you enjoy playing it.